So you want to be a great white shark. An excellent choice, I'm sure. Not only will you have access to vast areas of open ocean and powerful jaws, but you'll also be the undisputed king of Odell Down Under, which would be a bigger deal if I wasn't the only one who remembered that game. On your first day as a great white shark, you may be tempted to ask yourself whether or not you should bite something. This is the wrong question to be asking. Instead, ask yourself, what is the optimal way to bite this thing? Pop quiz. Which of these things in the picture should you bite? Is it brain coral, bluefish, old metal ship, or yellowfish? If you said, I don't care, I'm going to close my eyes and see what happens, then you are qualified to be a great white shark. When a shark takes a bite, their eyes get covered up with a membrane to protect the eye from flying chunks. This renders the shark more or less blind during the act of biting. Speaking of biting, as a great white shark, you'll have access to many, many teeth, hundreds of them, that will continuously grow, fall out, and replace themselves. Despite this, you will want to opt for swallowing your food whole as often as possible. Leave the chewing to the trains. As a great white shark, here is what your menu will consist of: seabirds, sea turtles, sea seals, sea electronic equipment, and other sharks. Pretty much anything, actually. But the bulk of your calories will come from blubbery animals like whales and seals. Look deep into the seal's eyes. If you said, yum yum, get in my tum, then you are qualified to be a great white shark. Of course, you don't have to eat every seal that swims your way. A shark's life is full of other activities too, such as lurking in the distance. When you do this, be sure to keep your dorsal fin above the water. That's what the tourists are paying for, after all. Over time, as your lurking skills improve, you'll be able to sneak about like it ain't nobody's business. Watch carefully, and see if you can spot the great white shark in the next piece of footage. Besides eating, lurking, and cage dancing to entertain boats full of tourists, you'll also spend much of your free time swimming around, enjoying the beautiful, endless ocean. I hope that doesn't bore you, because you'll need to get used to it. You'll be doing this for about 70 years straight. If you opt to be a female shark, I've got news for you. First, you get to be much bigger than your male counterparts. While a male shark maxes out in the teens of feet, around 4 meters, a female great white can make it all the way to the 20s of feet, up to about 6 meters. The trade-off is that the females get bitten a lot, as it is part of the courtship ritual come mating time. The female's body is thus often covered with bite marks. It is important to note that great white shark mothers do not care for their young. This is both a fact and a preference, as in, the young shark when born is immediately capable of caring for itself, and will swim away to go hunt things, while the mother will express that she did not care for her young anyway. If you are not much for family life, you are qualified to be a great white shark. As a great white shark, it is important that you maintain the level of fear and respect that humans currently have for you. They must not find out that shark attacks only kill a few people each year, far less than the number killed by bees, horses, deer, jellyfish, and cows. This concludes your lesson on how to be a great white shark. Now it's time to see what you've learned.
Dana, 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 na 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 na. Shark in the water thing, gliding really smoothly and quietly. You can't see me. Chomp.
Yes, I think you'll be a great white shark.